Hello guys, what I'm going to show you today is how you can split text in a cell inside of Excel, okay? And this is going to be very useful because sometimes when we are scraping data, or sometimes we have like a spreadsheet, it is not formatted the way we actually want it. And sometimes, as you can see here, we will have like a full name, and we want to make two columns out of it. We want to make a column that is called name and a column that is a name surname, okay? Or for example, we might have like an address here, and it's the complete address, but sometimes we want to split just the zip code, okay, to do something else with it, or the city, for example, right? So we're gonna learn how to do that, okay? So the first step is actually gonna grab your data as usual. You're just gonna select all of your data, and you want to go into the data tab here, okay? And now you want to click on this text to columns here, all right? And now you want to click on delimited, okay? And now let's click on next. And now, as you can see here, you have to select what kind of delimiter you actually have. So in my case, because the name is separated with a space from the surname, I'm actually going to choose a space. Okay, this is actually going to be my delimiter. Okay, from my columns. All right, so this is what I'm going to choose, space. And you can also click on other, and you can type whatever you have. Okay, but in my case, it's just going to be a single space. Okay, now you want to click on next. By the way, you usually want to click this want to keep this check. And now you just want to go to general. You just want to keep this on default. And now you want to click on Phoenix. And after you're done, as you can see here, we have separated the full name into the first name and into the surname. Okay, and we can now rename these columns here. We can rename this to first name and then this to surname, and we can copy the color and the font size and all that. And we can do exactly the same with this address here, right? We can select this data here. We can go to text to columns, delimited. Let's click on next. But in my case now, the delimiter is actually going to be a comma, as you can see here. Okay, because the data is separated with a comma. All right, so let's click on comma, and now you want to click on next and finish again. That's it. Thank you very much.